When students begin with me at my studio, many of them, adults and teenagers and kids, really need a lot of extra patience. There's a certain physicality with playing an instrument, whether it be a large motor skill like drum set or fine motor skill like guitars. It's a lot harder than it appears quite often. And so there is an extreme amount of patience that's necessary. And I loved seeing that process with the students, seeing them through that process. Because the payoff in a year or two or three is that they have a lot of enjoyment from their music, and I do too. I end up having great students that I get to play with on a regular basis. I love seeing them perform. I quite often will go to student recitals and talent shows and band shows that they have. I'll go to as many of those as I can to see what they're doing out there and being very proud of what they're doing.